everyone! Welcome to Tina DG Tips. For this week, I will share with you Young Living Philippines holiday catalog. Just a few items that I got in advance as part of the Diamond Advanced Pre-Order so that I can show you the products agad-agad. So this is launching today, October 24, 2022, and the products are amazing. It's a really good lineup. I'm so excited that this is coming out to all of you Young Living Philippines members, and I love how Young Living Philippines especially curated the lineup of the products for this year. They are ang ganda eh. They are perfect for gifts. The price points are friendly, not too expensive. There are some that are very premium, so depending on your budget, that you can find something. I am sure that for whatever budget you have set aside for your personal shopping or maybe for gifting to your family and friends this holiday season, you can find something meaningful and useful from this Young Living Philippines holiday catalog. So I'm gonna show you a few items. The rest you will see on my Instagram page and on the official Young Living Philippines social media accounts. And also, we have a live video in the Oil Natural Project members group. So you can see all of the products there in person, like we're actually holding them. So I'm gonna show you some of my favorite products from the catalog. Okay, I'm wearing one right now. There are actually 3 shirts, 3 colors. There is a red, there is a purple, and this gray one. This says oil up. The red one says frankincense is my second favorite F word. And then the other one is, there's an oil for that. Relax, there's an oil for that. So if you're an oiler, wear it proud. Show your love for essential oils by wearing these shirts. So it's nice then as a family shirt, diba? So yan. So the rest of my shirts are already in the laundry, but I will post photos everywhere. Go check out my Instagram or Facebook page. You're gonna see them there. Okay? And then this one is one of my favorites. So this comes in 3 variants. This is a leather pouch, and I love the design. It's reminiscent of a certain luxury brand, diba? It's very luxe. I love the feel of it. There's a weave design. It's embossed. I'm not sure kung tama yung description. There is a Young Living logo here on the matte gold zipper. Cute niya. And then you have this. So this lock, you can use to make this like some kind of a keychain, or maybe put a strap on it and then you can use it as a crossbody or something. Diba? So, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin with this leather pouch. And then, so there are 3 variants of this. Same pouch, but yung laman niya, iba-iba. So, it depends kung para sa'yo or sa pagre-regaluhan mo. And then, you can choose what oils will be a part of the set that you're getting. So, what I got is, so meron siyang V6. And you know what? This V6 bottle is not for sale. You only get this if you purchase a premium experience set, kasi kasama to dun sa premium experience set, or as part of this bundle. So, on its own, hindi siya available, and I love this packaging kasi it's so handy. So, the V6, first of all, it's vegetable oil complex. I love it because for me, it's one of the best carrier oils that you can use with your essential oils. So carrier oils are oils that are more, that are bigger or fatter, meaning it will stay longer on your skin, like for massage, or you can use it to dilute your essential oils, especially hot oils, or if you're using oils for kids or seniors, ganyan. Okay, so I love V6 and I love this size because normally the V6 bottle is this big. So, hindi siya ganun ka-travel friendly. So, if you just need it for travel, then this is a good size. So, look, it fits perfectly in this pouch. And then, it comes with 2 oils. So depending on the packages that you got, then there will be 2 other oils that's part of your set. So I chose yung aroma seeds and peppermint. So kasyang-kasya lang siya dyan sa loob. Right? Okay. Ito super cute. Ito, another that's like a keychain. So, if you're familiar with the eco bag, so if you're familiar with the eco bag of Young Living, this is exactly what it looks like. It's the canvas bag of Young Living. If you're getting your orders in the Experience Center or you got your kit through roadshow or through consignment, then you have, most probably, you have an eco bag. That's the full size. So, this is a mini version. So, syempre, collectible yan, guys. Most of the products are LTO or limited time offer only. So, once it's gone, it's gone. So, I advise that once it goes live, 12 noon today, go and get your products. Alright? So, this one, again, it comes with a keychain clip. Basta, yung lock na yan. And then, meron siyang lock. And then, I'm gonna turn it inside out. I'm gonna turn it inside out so you can see it comes with oil pouch. So, this set also comes with 5 ml stress away. Perfect for gifting, diba? And then, you can put the oil there. So, ganun siya. Cute, diba? So, one side says C to seal, the other one is the YL logo. Okay. Next favorite, ito. So, ito ready for gifting. Naka-box na siya. So, let's open it. It is a diffuser pen. So, it's a passive diffuser. Ayan. Meron siyang Young Living branding. And it comes with an extra wick. So, how does this work? You just open this. So, ito yung lalagyan ng wick. It looks like an eraser, but that's actually a cotton wick. And it's compressed. Very, very compressed cotton wick. So, you can put a few drops of your favorite essential oil and it's gonna give off that scent. So, if you're familiar with the reed diffuser, yung may bamboo sticks, ganun siya nag-work, but this is cotton. Okay, so super simple. Let's use one of my favorite oils. Syempre, ang dami kong favorite oils, but let's use peppermint, one of my top favorite oils. So, ayan, naka-seal pa siya. Part siya nitong set na to. Okay, so, bango talaga ng peppermint. Okay. So, ganito lang siya gamitin, guys. Two drops. That's enough. And then, this one has holes. So, dyan lalabas yung aroma. Okay? Bango. So, while you're using your pen, naaamoy yung scent. So, if you're stressed while taking down notes at the office, ayan, amoy-amoy yun siya. Okay? Yan yung pen. It's a pen. Alright. So, that's a gift item. Sobrang cute. Ready for gifting. Okay. Next favorite. So, I'm choosing lang some, ha? There's another one that I didn't see in the package, but I'll show you a photo of it. It's the sapin bag. I think it's going to sell out. It's one of the, yan. I'm showing it to you. I was modeling it yesterday in our event with the All Natural Project team leaders, our silver leaders. And it's a collaboration with Rags to Riches. And it's made of upcycled fabric. It's called sapin bag. Like the sapin na kakanin ng Pilipinas. And it's made from fabric that we use for rugs, yung basahan. And I love the story behind this. I'm gonna link a video that I invite you to watch, because when I saw it, when I saw the people behind each of the products, each one of the bags, grabe. Grabe, I love that Young Living is looking for partnerships that help the livelihood of Filipinos. Kasi, syempre, di ba, you're shopping and you're also helping the community. We're also helping our kababayan. So, I love that part. Okay? So, that bag, you should get it because that is a diffuser bag. The base is solid, as in, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng diffuser, and then there are oil slots para pag, syempre, you're bringing a diffuser when you travel, you need your oils as well, diba? Kasi yun yung i-diffuse mo. Okay, one of my favorites again. So, limited time only na nga yung products. Limited quantities pa. So, some items are only 1,000 available. So, hurry up. Okay. Bilang oiler home tayo, kailangan meron ako nito. Diba? Okay, ang sabi niya, this home is built on love and oils. So, I need this doormat for sure. And there's rubber backing sa likod. Very nice. It's thick. Ayan. So, collectible yan. Dapat talaga meron tayo yan. Okay. Special attention should be given to this product because this is the newest diffuser here in Young Living Philippines. And what I love about this is that it's wireless. It's rechargeable. So, it's very portable, diba? So, as long as you don't forget to charge it, you can use it anywhere. So, this is the Aroma Globe diffuser. Okay, so it says the mist, you have intermittent setting, ganyan. If you use it intermittently for every 5 minutes, it can last you for 12 hours. So, it's very small as you can see, pero kaya siyang tumagal ng 12 hours. Amazing! Ayan, lagay natin yung may branding. Ayan siya. Look how small! Malaki pa siya sa face ko. Look how small! Kasing liit lang ng face ko. Ang liit ng face ko. Charot. Okay. Joke lang. Ayan, sa hand na lang, I guess, for reference. That's my hand. That's it. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. Super cute. I think it looks like a pumpkin. And then, guys, what I love about it is it's plastic. Okay? Hugot, we don't really like plastic. But for, I mean, na tao, but for a portable diffuser, I don't have to worry about this breaking. Diba? Mababasag ba siya? Ganyan. It's not gonna break because it's plastic. So, there you go. So, guys, always buy from a Young Living distributor or from your own account. Better if you are a member because these diffusers, well, they're very sturdy. I have diffusers that are 5 years old and they are still working. But if for any reason within 1 year there's any problem with your diffuser, if you bought from an official distributor, you bought from through your own account, then you can have your diffuser sent back to Young Living because you have 1 year warranty. Okay? So, don't buy from anywhere else. Okay? Yan. So, there are a lot more products. I don't want to keep you, but there are a lot more offerings from the Young Living Philippines catalog. Find your meaningful and special holiday gifts here. And it's going live on October 22, 12 noon. And that's while supplies last. Some of the products are limited stocks only, limited time only, and so get your stuff ASAP. Make sure that you get your collectibles ASAP. And if you're an avid oiler like me, then I know that you want to get your own collectibles for yourself, diba? So, yeah. So, make sure you're live. And let me know what you're getting from the catalog, or if you need help getting your products, send me a message, comment here on the comment section below, or connect with me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. Thank you for joining me today, and see you in the next video.